What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arcway, a new direction of modern man. Today we're going to be doing exfoliation. So regarding this video, I'm going to basically share with you guys what I did and how I did it with exfoliating my skin. So what the two things that I used for this was actually three things I used for this was lemon juice, we got brown sugar, and some honey. So this is a great exfoliator for your face. Basically refresh your face, give it a new freshness of skin. Just basically get rid of the dirt and grime, and you should basically apply this every once a week. So this is something I've done, and this is something I'm going to show you guys how to do. So let's get right into it. If you guys are new to Arcway, make sure you subscribe down below. Also check out the Arcway Instagram channel so you guys can stay updated with the latest content, and let's begin this. Two things you'll need, like I said before, you need your lemon juice, your brown sugar, and your honey. So I basically kind of showed you how much I poured in between each stages, and you kind of got to find your own rhythm with it. Sometimes I realize it might not be a certain amount that you need to put in. You just got to test the waters, kind of experiment, and basically if you have any extras, just store it out for later. And then you can just go from there. So basically I mixed them all up together and just keep it simple and short and sweet. I basically put it all together and I basically put it in my face, did circular motions all around my face just so it scrubs in and it kind of picks up on my skin. I let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after I let it dry for a certain period of time, that's when I initially washed it off. So through this process, it's not something, if you get into the rhythm of it, you get better over time. At first, it's actually a mess. That was one thing I really noticed about this whole thing. Everything's just sticky. From that part on, you can actually use this exfoliation for your skin. So it's also known for a body scrub. So you can do that with your body if you choose to. I basically tested it on my hands, my arms, and my shoulders, just see how the difference was. And I can tell you off the bat, my skin is a lot more smoother than it was, because this is the aftermath of me doing this. Before I looked like dust. Man, I'm playing. But yeah, so the aftermath of that was my skin turned out really smooth. It felt renewed and it felt a lot more brighter. So I think applying this technique into your routine is actually going to help you out, and I'm curious to know how it actually works for you guys. You definitely leave a comment in the section down below from your experience doing this, and if it's your first time, just let us know first and foremost, and also just reply back with how it actually went with your experience altogether, because I'm quite curious to know how everyone's experiences was with this, and it was something you guys want to continue seeing, because I got some other stuff for you guys for later. So regarding that, so this is something you guys can do during quarantine times. This is something you could do if you can't hit the drugstore and get your pharmaceutical typical on the shelf things like your creams and maybe Pacific like butters. But if you want to go for a natural process, something you can do at your house in your own environment, this is something you should go grab. So I hope this actually helps you guys with upgrading your skincare. I kind of have the before and after of it. If you guys need help with it, just leave a comment section down below. Last but not least, thank you guys so much for watching Arcway, the new direction of a modern man. You guys been supporting this channel, sharing it, and liking the video. Big thumbs up. And thanks yet again. We're going to keep growing, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.